So here's how to fit your Wix website to all screens. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account, and after that you have to go to the edit site option and then click on the mobile icon. Now you will be able to view this menu. Here you have to first customize your header. Once you have customized your header, now click on the next. After that, here you have to position your quick actions, and once you have positioned your quick actions, now again hit on the next at the bottom. Now here you have to customize your back to top button, and once you customize it, now hit on the next. Once you hit on the next, now this page will appear. From here you have to click on the go to mobile editor option. Once you click on it, now from the left menu you have to click on the mobile tools option, or you also can change the background by clicking on the background option. First, here I'm gonna change the background for my mobile site, and once I selected my background, then I'm gonna click on the apply to other page option at the bottom. After that, as you can see that this background has been successfully added to my mobile site. Then from the left menu, I simply clicked on the mobile tools option, and once I clicked on it, now it will open this page. Now from here I can select all the options that I want to add to my mobile site. To add these actions, I will simply click on the plus icon next to these. Once I click on the plus icon, now these actions will be successfully added to my site. To customize your welcome screen, click on the plus icon next to it, and once you click on it, now this pop-up window will appear. From here you have to select the option, and after that click on the apply. To set up each quick action, you have to click on these three dots next to each action and then click on the setup option. Once you made all of the changes, now you have to click on the preview icon at the top right corner. Once you click on it, now it will give you a preview of your Wix mobile site. Just before publishing your site, you can make further changes on it if you required. So that's how to fit your Wix site to all screens.